Hey, it's Clark from the Down South IT podcast, and today I got something kind of different. I've been seeing these on Amazon for a while now, and I really and truly just wanted to see if they would work. And what it is, it's this little gem here. This happens to be the brand VicTsing, and what it is basically it's a Bluetooth FM transmitter. And what I was planning on doing, and by the end of the video, we'll be able to go through all of this. But if you happen to have a older vehicle that does not have Bluetooth hands-free capability, seeing as how this thing was only 20 bucks, could this be a viable option? Unless you want to spend a couple of $100 on a Bluetooth enabled head unit, radio, DVD player, what have you, could this be a cheaper alternative? So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the unboxing first, and then I'm going to do a part 2 where we go through and parting the clop, clop, clop. That's the podcast cat running across the floor. But I just wanted to see if this could be a viable option, just for 20 bucks. If you have an older vehicle, could it work? Does it work? Does it work as intended? So without further ado, we'll go ahead and unbox it, and we'll see exactly what comes in it, and we'll go from there. So we got, first things first, we can get rid of, let's see, got this in here too also. Some kind of VIP something or other, 20% off coupon. That's kind of cool. We got the user manual right here. We have a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. And here is the main unit. Excuse me. So, first impressions. Not bad looking. I mean, it's a pretty snazzy looking little unit. I think it's only a monochrome, so it's a blue tinge face on here. Looks like you got your volume dial. You press it for calls, and then it has, looks like some music skip availability, and then channel up and channel down. So we have a 3.5mm auxiliary port there. So I think you can bypass the Bluetooth, or you can plug your phone straight into here and stream music off of it, which is nice. Got your 12-volt adapter. And built into the 12-volt adapter, you have a 2.1 amp charger. So you can do quick charge while doing everything else. So not too bad. It's kind of a nifty little thing. The gooseneck is actually, I mean, it's pretty well made. It looks like it won't bend or like that, anything too crazy. I mean, it does give you limited mobility when you're going left and right, but up and down, as far as how you want to use it and everything, this doesn't seem to be like it give you too much trouble, and it seems well built. That's probably your microphone right there. So interesting little unit. So we'll have to kind of wait and see exactly how the testing works and all of that fun stuff. But once all of that's complete, then I will do a part 2 video on this. So we shall see exactly how it works, if there's any kind of quirks with it. Does the actual bypass part work? Can you stream music and stuff like that from your phone through the radio? So we'll see exactly what this little thing can do. And like I said, looks like we got an SD card reader too. So you can probably play stuff off of an SD card, which that's a nice little touch. But we'll see exactly what this can do. If it has any little quirks, anything like that, I'll definitely let you know on part 2. So for right now, this is going to be it. But be looking forward to part 2 whenever we actually finished all of the testing and everything. Don't forget, check out the website, downsouthitpodcast.com, the Facebook page at downsouthit. This, of course, will be up on Facebook and up on the YouTube channel. So just search Down South IT Podcast on YouTube. You can find me right there. So stay tuned for part 2. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you.